I'm gonna start taking the exhaust manifold out too. I'll probably just remove the whole thing. It looks like I'll be able to do that. We'll see. We just got this heat shield here that has two 12s. And there's two more 12s, one there and then one on the other side. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12s in the exhaust manifold. And I'm gonna remove this ground wire here to help get the wrench on with that bolt. And I just have this PVC pipe that I use as a cheater bar. Works perfect for this. Yeah, this thing is free now. I'm going to remove this connector for the O2 sensor there, and then I can just leave the O2 sensor on it, and then figure out how to, there's a clip here holding the cord on, figure out how to release that. The connector is a real bitch to get off. I had to push on this button really hard with a screwdriver, and then I put a pair of pliers around this to pull it out with. Now I'm going to remove the connections here. It looks like there's two, I think they're 14 millimeters behind those springs. And then there's just a couple of mounting points there and there. Look like they're also 14 millimeters. There's a screw there and then one there. Probably doesn't matter which ones you remove. And then one there and one there. It looks like they're all 14s. Yeah, that thing will just come right out the top. It's super easy. I think you actually have to remove the bolts that go onto the engine though. These ones are just nuts on the end of it, so these things stick out. And I covered up the exhaust there, so I don't drop any tools or a bunch of coolant down there.